Hello guys, Greater Red Cloud back into the video. So, you guys are currently being run on my tablet for a very specific reason, and you guys will see this in just a second. So, this is a heat lamp thing that you hold the heat lamp up with. Well, in a video I deleted because it was crappy, I modified this and one of my stands for my camera right here to be able to hold it. So I'm now able to do is clamp it to places and it will stay steady instead of using this old tripod. So this video will actually upload way before this video. I'm gonna start a time lapse real soon. I'm gonna clamp it to a rafter right there. I'm gonna start a time lapse and then explain what this whole video is about. Please don't X out the video, leave a like, leave a comment. I'm about to show you guys a whole bunch of nice, cool stuff I'm about to do. I might want to, press start. And then, certainly a disaster. So yeah, ignore any bad noises you guys hear. Just a sec. This camera is at a shockingly wide angle. Okay. Really want it to be a different angle. Just a sec, guys. I'm currently climbing up and around and all over this rafter right here. Trying to get a decent angle. If you guys could just excuse me for a minute. This is what I'm cutting the Star Wars blade out of. Star Wars Force blade, I should actually say. Since it has a decently square bottom, I think I might actually end up connecting the camera right there. Just a sec, guys. Okay, bit of turning, camera decently set up. There we go. Now, you guys are actually above. My time-lapse video is currently above you guys, so yeah. It's literally right above you guys, staring down at me, and it's currently running right now. So we'll quickly clean off the desk because I need some space to explain what on bloody earth I'm doing. Also, you guys are running dead. So, brought my fancy schmancy charger. Ah, frick. That won't work. Okay. Gonna real quickly run through all the stuff I'm gonna do before you guys go dead. So, you guys know Stone Bjorn. You guys know Stone Crusher. And you guys know Mr. Sirius, Vulcan. So, these tools, or the lovely girls, are going to be doing a bit of a workout. Just like my thing's falling down. I'm not used to using this camera because now I can actually see myself. So if you guys see those spots, they're rusting, okay? Because I don't have any sort of a heat treat on them or anything to really keep all the rust off. So my girls are rusting. They're getting old. They need to be refurbished, redone. But it looks like most of this stuff is all surface. A bit of them are A little amount of them are deep down in those crevices, but I can get it out from Stone Bjorn. And for Bone Crusher, I think I actually called him Stone. Yeah, I think I called him Stone Crusher, but no, his name's Stone Bjorn. He is a, she is a uh, 8-pound drop forge, harden. Most of the words have been like ground off over time. Drop forge, heat treat, and then that looks like a TAIWA something. Bunch of the words were actually just ground off, so I really can't see what that stuff is. But it says warning. There's a warning on here. Safely. Yeah, no. Most of the words have been ground off. So, this one, my lovely Bone Crusher, she has some surface rust. I can just real quickly sandpaper off, and I am going to be doing some filing on these guys to clean them up a bit. But the one that is going to go under the most, I would say, work is Mr. Vulcan. I'm going to file off these edges right here because they are very abrupt, and I don't really like it. Okay, I would prefer more of a round corner. Because when you drop on yourself or whack yourself, it cuts into you. Like that will cut into you. I've done it. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. And you guys can't even see my face. You guys can't even see my facial expressions I'm currently making. Not sure if I need... I'm not going to do any stuff with the handle, because I really can destroy handles pretty fast, I guess. So, get down where you guys can actually see me. So, I think that's going to be all for now, guys. Time-lapse is right up there, so you guys can see me right now. I'm currently staring at my eyes. Those big, baby blue eyes. If any of you guys are under 18 and your parents are currently watching, forgive me, I'm only slightly insane. So yeah. That's all for now. God is awesome. Have a great day.